Hello, this is Helen Kuhl. I'm in Las Vegas on the eve of the AWFS Vegas Fair. One of the exciting things that's going to be happening during this show involves the development of some skill standards. Duane Griffiths of Stiles Education Center has been one of the people that's been working very hard for the past 2 years to bring this program to a real exciting time now when they're actually set to launch the pilot program at this show. So, Duane, will you please fill us in on all this?
Sure. We have just a few minutes to tell a lot. So let me tell you a little bit how excited we are to have ready for the industry an actual book which contains over 30 skill standards that will be very instrumental in our industry in helping woodworkers know what is required and what is needed in order to best operate and to maintain equipment. Now, this probably doesn't do it justice as far as what I have to show you here, but as with all our skill standards, they're broken down into 3 levels. So level 1 is for the entry machinery operator, a person who's going to feed the panels. Level 2 is more for the machinery person who is going to set up the machine. And finally, level 3 is for the individual that is going to troubleshoot and maybe even maintain that piece of equipment. What's so valuable here is now a woodworking company has a document that has been refined, has been tested, and can look at if they are looking to, for example, hire an edge bander operator, they know some of the skills that that individual should be able to do. And then they can make a decision, does it best fit their company or not? Or another one, let's assume that they've worked at level 1 and they want to advance that person, so they have that carrot, let's say, that a person can work towards in order to become a setup person. And of course that can impact promotion, that can impact status in a company, etc. So there's a lot of good things that are happening with this over 130-page document. The topics range from all the way from setup tools such as a good old Stanley tape measure, clear through some of the CNC things that you would expect to find in a set of skill standards.
Okay, and I understand that there are about 28 machines that are already covered?
Yes, that's what this book is all about, the 28 machines. And I think what's significant here too, Helen, is that we're just started. If you get a copy of this, you will notice that there's lots of other machines that are listed here. And so we're asking for 2 things. First off, these skill standards have been tested by what we call a pre-pilot group. But we're looking for other companies that are interested enough to want to be leaders in the industry, kind of be the first ones to try something like this out, give us some good input, and then once we receive that, then we will go to the next level of offering the skill standards.
Well, it's a very exciting time. I know this is something that has been in the works for a while, and it's probably been on the top of everybody's wish list to help them get some more skilled workers, some new ways to help measure that and to move it forward in a consistent manner. So congratulations to you and the committee for your hard work, and we'll be very excited to keep talking about this in the coming year and the further development of the program. So
yes,
thank you, Duane.
Lots more. Thank you, Helen.
Okay.